two, three, four. Little bird, little bird, little bird, standing on the tree. I was going on my merry way when I noticed it was looking at me. I went to check and see what's up, and I couldn't believe my eyes. It takes well live wild microphones, it's all a bunch of lies. Birds unreal, no matter what they say. Birds unreal, gotta shoo 'em away, gotta shoo 'em away. It's all a big conspiracy. Birds are fed the dinosaurs, chirps replacing roars. If the meteor couldn't take them out, they must have been designed for war. So go and grab your BB guns and arm your scarecrows too. Follow me to the battleground, we're headed for the zoo. Oh, birds are real, no matter what they lay. Birds are real, gotta shoo 'em away, gotta shoo 'em away. It's all a big conspiracy.
Good morrow, pheasants. We're about to hatch a new one. I'm gonna get you in a pigeonhole. I wanna hear you bang the drumsticks. I wanna see you shake your tail feather. Crank that funky chicken. And try not to be too foul.
They survived the fires, tornadoes, and the flood. Someone called the Red Baron, 'cause Woodstock's out for blood. You may call me an idiot, you may say I'm a dork. Just wait until a bird steals a little baby, we'll have ourselves a reefer store. Oh, birds aren't real, what would Alfred Hitchcock say? Birds are real, gotta shoo 'em away, gotta shoo 'em away. It's all a big conspiracy. Pick it up! No more seagulls at the shore. Quote the raven, nevermore. Goodbye pheasants, goodbye wren. They're all employed at IBM. No more seagulls at the shore. Quote the raven, nevermore. Goodbye pheasants, goodbye wren. They're all employed at IBM. Oh, birds unreal, no matter what they say. Birds aren't real. Don't go out on the 4th of May. Don't take the hen out of the hay. Don't trust that no good mockingjay. Just eat your yammed or baked potato, 'cause bird watching can go both ways. I'm out of clever things to say. It's all a big conspiracy. That was a hoot. It's the end of the world. All these cardinal sins. Armageddon out of here.